Hey Bestie, Trina here. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today's video is one that I am super duper excited about. I've been seeing it all over the YT and I'm so excited to give it a try. I thought, oh, this is gonna be a fun video to film. Y'all, it is me mixing all of my foundations. I'm so excited to try this out. It seems like fun. I hope this works out, y'all, because I'm getting ready to go to church and I don't need no problems, okay? Guys, this is a new camera I'm so excited that I'm filming with. So if you see me looking over here, it's because I have to get used to this screen being here. So I'm sorry. I promise I'm gonna get used to it, but it's just so cool to see myself film. Anyway, we're gonna get right into the video. So if you want to see it, keep watching. Let's go. All right, so I have a little glass jar here. So I have about 12, I think it's like 12 or 13 foundations that I'm going to mix. I don't have 20 and 30 and all of that, but I do have, I feel like 12 is enough. I have all of my liquid foundations. I'm going to just take one drop of each foundation and put it in the bowl, and then I'll mix it, and then I'm going to apply it and we'll go from there. So I'm going in with Fenty. I'm going to do one more pump. Okay. Bobbi Brown. Boy, you guys can see that Bobbi Brown. CoverGirl, Cover Stay, L'Oreal. Oh, that looks disgusting, L'Oreal. And I shook that up. That looks disgusting. Maybelline, I'm sorry, Milani, the concealer foundation. This is thick. Oh. Estee Lauder. I'm gonna have to pour a little bit. Makeup Forever, Clinique, and the Wet n Wild, Matte and Poreless. I'm gonna see, but here is the foundations, guys. Here are the foundations. Hopefully you guys can see that and the lights aren't washing it out. I'm just gonna take my spatula here and mix them. All right, let me put on my primer, of course, because I would do that regardless. So let me go ahead and prime my skin. I'm just gonna use the spatula and then I'll apply it with my brush. I wonder how full coverage this is gonna be, because you know all of my foundations usually are full coverage. So I'm kind of excited to see like how this is gonna work out. All right, oh, I think I made enough. So now I'm gonna go in with my, y'all know I love this Real Techniques brush. I have a million of these things. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend. Oh, this color, wait now. This color might not work, y'all. I don't know. I'm nervous. Oh my God, I'm nervous. Y'all know what? Like, I'm doing this. The smell is going away, but I definitely smell that CoverGirl Healthy Elixir Foundation. But little chat, y'all know I hate when people be texting me early in the morning. Like, why are you texting me early in the morning on the weekend? What is it? You know I'm trying to get ready to go to church. Why are you texting me? What is it? What do you want? Nothing. Like, my phone is going crazy right now, y'all. And I'm just wondering, if you're not up going to church, or going to work, what you doing? It's Sunday. What are you up so early for? Like, what is it? Okay, now what I will say off the bat, this here coverage. Oh, wow. Off the bat, y'all, this coverage is A1. Now, whoa. I don't know who came up with this, because I've seen like a million people do it. Like, not a million, but I've seen quite a few people do it. And so I don't know who thought to do this, but this is cool. Y'all, but this coverage, like, whoa. Now, what I'm seeing is that this is like a dewier finish, and I hope, because all of my foundations, y'all know I don't wear dewy foundations. All of these are matte, and all of them really are full coverage or buildable coverage. So yeah, I need this to get it together. So here is my finished look. Just doing some lashes. Y'all know I put on a little blush, a little highlight, a dark lip. Y'all already know I'm running out to sound check this morning. It is Sunday morning again. So y'all, honestly, overall, I like it. Like, I feel like I have on a full coverage. I just put on some concealer, you know, just brushed on some powder, y'all, and I'm good to go. I actually just used some regular loose powder because with the full coverage, I didn't need any extra coverage. Y'all, I really like this. Now, will I do this every day? Absolutely not. This is not something, it just takes too long. It's just too much. It's too much, girl. But I would definitely do it. Like, if I'm going out on the town, I'm interested to see how this looks and how it like holds up today. And y'all know it's a perfect day when I test out foundations on a Sunday, y'all. So this is my finished look here. Well, guys, that is it for me. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, look down below. There's a little red button that says subscribe. Go ahead and hit that button. What are you waiting on? Become part of my bestie clan. Also, make sure you hit that little bell so that you can see anytime I upload a video, it will notify you. Come on and socialize with me on Instagram. It is Trina Felicia. On Twitter, it is Trina Felicia. And on Snapchat, it is Trina's Beauty. And until next time, guys and girls, I will see you all in my next video.